and welcome to D4Drupal channel. Today we are going to see about how to do a commerce setup in Drupal. Okay, so there is a two-way to do. One is with the existing website, one is with a new instance. So let me tell you how to do both. And I have already installed one Drupal instance here. So I'm going to include commerce here. So for that, what you have to do, you have to manually download a commerce module. So that is composer require Drupal/commerce. So now we successfully downloaded the commerce module. So next what you have to do, you have to go to the extend page. And you have to enable the commerce module as like how you are doing for other modules. Okay. Commerce. So these are the set of modules which is available for commerce. So you can enable all. So I am going to enable all the modules whatever are available in the commerce. Install. So it's asking there is some dependent module. So I'm making them to enable. So once all these modules are enabled, here you can see a new menu called commerce. So there you have to do the all commerce related configurations, store creation, product creation, and product attribute creation. Whatever the configuration you have to do there. And I will explain about all those in a separate video. So here I'm going to do only setup now. So you can check in upcoming video about the complete feature of commerce. Okay. So let it enable. So next one is commerce project creation. So for that you have to run this command, composer command, and let me run and show you how to do that too. So cd dot dot and paste that command, and the my store represents the folder name. So let me give commerce here. So it will download all the Drupal core related modules and also the commerce related module. So once you downloaded, you have to enable the Drupal website as like how you are doing for normal installation. Okay. But when you do the normal installation by using this command folder, the commerce related module will be enabled by default. Okay. So you don't need to go to extend page again, and you don't need to enable the commerce related module when you download the Drupal package by using this composer command. Okay. So here all the commerce related modules are enabled. So here you can see all the menus are available for store, product, payments, and orders, and product attributes, promotions. So this is how you need to enable a commerce pro module in the existing website. So next is this one. So there will be a folder inside here. Here in the C folder, WAMP, WW. So here you can see the commerce here. So here it will contain all the commerce related modules plus Drupal core. Okay, let it download. It's taking time to download. Let it download all. Okay, now the module, all the Drupal related modules are downloaded. So when you go and refresh here, so you have to hit the web now. So now it is taking you to the install.php file. So here you have to install this Drupal instance by as like how you are doing for normal Drupal installation. If you are not aware of how to install a Drupal, I will add a link in the description. Please have a look and install the Drupal. Okay. And that's it about today's session. I hope everyone understood it. And if you like the video, please share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.